Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel, it's Mitchy boy here. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make a screen with heat transfer vinyl. I got my design cut out here onto heat transfer vinyl. And gonna try and transfer it to the screen and print a t-shirt. Just got a homemade screen here with 110 I think mesh. I think that's what it's called, 43T. Obviously if you're doing it with text too, you'll have to invert it, I think, before you do this, so that it comes out the right way. So I've got a pillowcase, doing mine with an iron. I'm going to put that down, and then I'm going to put this baking paper on top of the pillowcase just to protect the pillowcase. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just going to iron that on. And also I guess with the iron, I guess this time I'm probably going to do like a few seconds, then take it off and do a few more seconds, just to make sure I don't burn it and melt it. Probably get some heat resistant tape too if you want to tape it in place, but I'm just going to do it like this. So yeah, I'll go out. I'll also probably want to put something underneath your screen, like some foam. I'm going to put some foam underneath so that there's pressure. You press the iron down onto the mesh. I'm going to cover it with the pillowcase. And then baking paper. Got to try and remember where it is too. Just got to keep the pillowcase. This vinyl is for 8 seconds at 150 degrees, I think. So yeah, see it really. These irons heat up so quickly, yeah. Right, so let me get out of the way. I'm trying to remember where it is. It's down there. One, two, three, four. Gonna give it a rest so it doesn't burn. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it still started to burn a bit there. Hopefully the vinyl's alright. Peeling off the tape. Seems to be well stuck. That's pretty cool. Like it's nicely done. This is what I use too, just to tape it up, as just regular packing tape. Seems to stick the best compared to like that. I tried the painter's tape, but that stuff doesn't really stick for me well. And so you just want to tape it up just so that ink doesn't go around the sides. So I'm not sure like how long this will last too. Like if it will start to deteriorate or not. Haven't tried it. This is actually my first time trying it, so it's kind of like an experiment for me too. But the adhesive vinyl seems to lift up after a while.